All right, so check this out. In this section, very important section as well, because if you don't have your business right, you ain't gonna make no money. But if you don't have your music right, you definitely ain't making no money. So check this out. I'm gonna show you all the ins and outs, some basic tips, some basic stuff that you can do to make sure your music is up to industry standard. So we're gonna talk about some very preliminary things, like what is a cue, what is a stem. This is very important, especially if you're working with other producers or collaborating with other songwriters and different things like that. These are industry terms. So we're gonna cover that. We're gonna cover how to get your music to industry quality. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna sound nice and crispy, nice and smooth, nice how it's supposed to sound. And then most importantly, we're gonna talk about how to build your catalog. If you don't have a catalog built, you ain't gonna have any money. Trust me. So, you know, if you have any questions during this section, please hit me up. I'm here to help you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it.